Swagatam Kapadi Mathematics classes. Gurubhyo Namaha. This is your Murali Krishna. This is the 14th video on the trigonometry. In this chapter, in this video, I am going to present some more trigonometrical identities of sum and difference of angles. Of course, related to trigonometric ratios. Now, first let me list out the identities, then I will prove some of them. Number 1, you have sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is equal to 2 times of sin a cos b. Of course, a and b are any angles. Next one, sin of a minus b plus sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b is equal to 2 cos a sin b. Next, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is equal to 2 cos a cos b, and cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b is equal to minus 2 sin a sin b. Derivation is not that much difficult, it is very simple. I will take the first one, proof for the sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is 2 sin a cos b. Very simple. Take left hand side, sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Just apply the identities. You have sin a cos b plus cos a sin b plus sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Of course, positive and negative will get cancelled, and you have sin a cos b, sin a cos b. So we have 2 sin a cos b. Now the rest of things goes same way. What actually I want to convey, these formulas are also called transformation formulas. What is the meaning of a transformation here? It's very simple. The sum is converted into product. The sum is transforming into product, or difference is converting into product. So transformation of the sum and the difference is converting to product. This is the transformation. Now I can present the same formula in another way also. Now a plus b, that means combination of a and b. Let a plus b is equal to c, that means combined. Let a minus b is equal to d, say difference. Of course, angle a is more than angle b. Angle a is more than angle b. It's comfortable. It's not compulsory, but it is. If you take angle a, the large angle as a and the small angle b, it's very convenient, right? Okay. In this case, the first b is equal to c, a minus b is equal to d. Now, can we express a and b in terms of c and d? Yes, of course. If you add these two, we get a plus b plus a minus b. You have 2a is equal to c plus d, or a is equal to c plus d by 2. Then if you take difference, you will get 2b is c minus d. Of course, b is equal to c minus d by 2. Now use these results in first identity. So put these results in sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is equal to 2 sin a cos b. This is sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin of a, we got c plus d by 2. cos. B is nothing but c minus d by 2. So, this is the famous as sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin cos of c minus d by 2. Similarly, we can get 3 more identities also. Let me list out them also. So, we have this is number 1, the set of a transformation formula, and we go for next one, second set. Therefore, we have one more box, sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Next one, sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Cos c minus cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. Finally, cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Now, this box is another set of. Now, these two boxes are very, very important and you have to memorize them. Now, we have geometrical proofs also for these identities. Now, if you are preparing for only for JEE mains exam or board examination, the proofs are not required, but when you are preparing for advanced level type examinations, the proofs are very, very important. Please take it and we do numerical questions based on that. Now, I am going to solve some questions based on the transformation concept one by one. These are very simple the questions. Number 1, first one is sin 7 theta minus sin 5 theta over cos 7 theta plus cos 5 theta is equal to tan theta. I will do the first question very slowly. I will explain each and every step. Once you understand this, the remaining the questions are very simple. So, first of all, take left hand side, sin 7 theta minus sin 5 theta by cos 7 theta plus cos 5 theta. I take the numerator. My numerator is sin 7 theta minus sin 5 theta. It looks like sin c minus sin d. So, here c is equal to 7 theta, d is equal to 5 theta. Just apply that sin c minus sin d. We have sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. Again repeat, c is equal to 7 theta, sin equal to 5 theta. Therefore, we have sin 7 theta minus sin 5 theta is 2 cos of 7 plus 5, 12 theta by 2 sin 7 minus 5, 2 theta by 2. And if you simplify further, we get 2 cos 6 theta into sin theta. Now, denominator is cos 7 theta plus cos 5 theta. Straight away, I write cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d formula you know very well, 2 cos of 7 theta plus 5 theta by 2 cos of 7 theta minus 5 theta by 2. Then you get 2 cos 6 theta times of cos theta. So, I simplified the numerator. I got 2 cos 6 theta sin theta. I simplified denominator. I got 2 6 theta cos theta. Now my LHS will become, therefore LHS is equal to 2 cos 6 theta into sin theta over 2 cos 6 theta into cos theta. I can cancel 2 cos 6 theta cos 6 theta. So I got sin by cos is nothing but tan theta. Remember, cancellation means here either cos 6 theta is not 0, cos 6 theta is not 0, then only you can do this cross multiplication, because it is division. Yeah, please take it. Next question, sin, I don't spend that much time on second question. Sin 7 sin, second question, left hand side, sin 7a minus sin a by sin 8a minus sin 2a. This is sin c minus sin d, this is also sin c minus sin d. Just apply formula, 2 cos of 7a plus a, 8a by 2, 4a. Next, sin 7a minus a, 6a by 2, 3a by, same thing, 2 cos of 8 plus 2, 10 is 5a, and next one is sin 8 minus 2, 6 by 2, 3a. So I can cancel the common factors 2 and 2, sin 3a, and sin 3a we got cos 4a upon cos 5a. But we got the answer. This is nothing but cos 4a 1 over cos 5a is nothing but secant 5a, which is equal to my RHS. In 2 steps we got the answer. Come to next third question. Sin a, I write like this, sin 2a plus sin a by, I will take a minus common, it is not required, cos a minus cos 2a, LHS. Same thing, sin c plus sin d, 2 sin of 2a plus a, 3a by 2, cos of 2a minus a by 2, over. Now cos c minus cos d formula, you have minus 2 sin a plus 2a, 3a by 2, and sin a minus 2a minus a by 2. Now these two cancel, we have minus, of course you know very well, sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta, this minus, that minus will become plus. So we have cos a by 2 times of sin a by 2, of course we get cot a by 2, which is my RHS. Fourth question, you have cos 3a minus cos a upon sin 3a minus sin a plus cos 2a minus cos 4a upon sin 4a minus sin 2a. Just apply a transformation formula for each and every term of the left hand side one, automatically you will get this answer. So first of all, cos c minus cos d, you have minus 2 sin 3 plus 4a, 3 plus 1, 4 by 2, 2a, and sin 3 minus 1, 2 by 2, you have a, by, same thing, 2 cos of 3a, of course I will get same 2a, and you will get a sin. Next one, here also same thing, plus minus 2 sin 2a plus 4a, 6a, 3a, you will get sin 2a minus 4a, minus 2a by 2 minus a, by 2 cos 4 plus 2, 6 by 2, 3a, sin 4 minus 2, 2 by 2, a. Now here this sin of minus theta will become minus sin theta, minus into minus plus. Please understand, 2 cancel, and this is equal to 2 cancel. So we have, I read that is the first term I write, sin 3a, sin 3, we can cancel sin a, we can cancel sin a by cos 3a minus sin 2a by cos 2a. Just take LCM. You have cos 3a, cos 2a. Now you have sin 3a, cos 2a minus cos 3a, sin 2a. Now the numerator sin 3a cos 2a minus cos 3a sin 2a, it looks like sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So I can apply sin of 3a minus 2a upon sin 3a cos 2a. Of course 3a minus 2a is a, so we get sin a by, yes, we got LCM is cos, right? Cos 3a times of cos 2a, which is equal to right hand side. Please take it. Left hand side, cos 3 theta plus 2 cos 5 theta plus cos 7 theta by cos theta plus 2 cos 3 theta plus cos 5 theta. Okay, here what I do, I group the terms. I will take these two as one group in the numerator. So this is cos 7 theta, cos 3 theta is one group, plus remaining 2 cos 5 theta as it is by, here also cos 5 theta plus cos theta as one group and 2 cos 3 theta is another term. Now for the first one, apply cos C plus cos D formula. You have 2 cos of 7 plus 3 10 by 2 5 theta and cos 7 minus 3 4 by 2 2 theta, 2 cos 5 theta as is. Next one, same thing, 2 cos of 5 plus 1 6 by 2 3 theta cos 5 minus 1 2 4 2 theta 2 theta plus 2 cos 3 theta. Now I will take 2 cos 5 theta common from numerator, 2 cos 3 theta common from denominator. So we have 2 cos 5 theta, then we will get cos 2 theta plus 1 by 2 cos 3 theta. So we have cos 2 theta plus 1. Since cos 2 theta plus 1, cos 2 theta plus 1 common factor, you can cancel. 2 under 2 common factor, you can cancel. So we have cos 5 theta by cos 3 theta. But it is not matching with my right hand side. So I need to do some more simplification. So what I do, I write cos 5 theta as 3 theta plus 2 theta, and I don't touch cos 3 theta, I keep as it is. Now this is cos of a plus b formula. So we have cos 3 theta, cos 2 theta minus sin 3 theta, sin 2 theta, of course, by cos 3 theta. Now open the bracket. Cos 3 theta by cos 3 theta will get cancelled. So you have cos 2 theta minus sin 3 theta by cos 3 theta is nothing but tan 3 theta and remaining sin 2 theta. Now is it matching? Yes, it is matching, which is equal to my right hand side. This solution also over. You can try sixth one, the same model. Take sin of a plus c, sin of a minus c as one group, apply the formula. Take sin of b plus c, sin of b minus c as one group, apply the formula. Cancel the common factor, you will get right hand side, you will get. Next one, the seventh question. Sin a minus sin 5a plus sin 9a minus sin 13a cos a minus cos 5a minus cos 9a plus cos 13a is equal to cot 4a. So my seventh question, left hand side. So left hand side, sin a minus sin 5a plus sin 9a minus sin 13a by cos a minus cos 5a cos 9a plus cos 13a. So, we know very well the transformation formula applicable only for 2 terms, but here 4 terms are given. So, make into groups, take any 2 terms, take any 2 terms as one group, definitely you will get the answer. But before taking the groupism, before making it a groups, think what happens in the next step. Look here, so look now, if I take sin a minus sin 5a, of course take minus common, you can apply. See here 5 plus a, 5a plus a, 6a by 2, 3a. And here is 13 plus 9a, that is equal to, you have 22 by a, that is 11a, and 13 minus 9, that is equal to 4 by 2a, you are getting 1 2a common. So, or we can go another group also, make sin a, sin 9a as one group and take sin 5a, sin 13 as one group. Now, whatever group you take in the numerator, try to take same terms as groups in the denominator also. That is the mandatory it is. So, I am taking this as first one, sin 9a. It is not mandatory, but if you take in less number of steps, you will get the answer. So, this is sin 13a plus sin a by, go for same thing, cos a minus cos 9a, I take minus common, I will write cos 9a minus cos a, and from these two also I will take, okay, minus not required, you can write sin cos 13a minus cos 5a directly. Now, open the bracket, simplification. Sin c plus sin d, you have 2 sin 5a cos 4a minus, same thing, 2 13 plus 5 is 18 by 2, 9a, 13 minus 5, that is equal to 4a by minus 2, all the minus there, you will get one more minus sign, you get that minus minus will become plus. Okay, anyhow I will write that step, minus minus 2, 9 plus a, 5, so you will get 5a, and next one is sin 9 minus 1, 8 by 2, 4a, and here you will get minus sign, 13, 2 sin 13 plus 5, 18, 9a, sin 13 minus 5, that is equal to 8 by 2, 4a. Now, try to take anything common from this one. Yes, cos 4a I can take common, sin 4a I can take common. Okay, so take 2 cos 4a, then I will get sin 5a minus sin 9a upon, here I will take minus minus plus, I am taking 2 sin 4a common, so I will get sin 4a, yeah, sin 5a, oh, I am getting correct answer, 9a. So, these are two common factors, you can cancel this, 2 cancel, cos by sin 10 is equal to, we got cot of 4a, which is matching with my right hand side. Same way you can try this also. In this one, you take first two as one group, second, third and fourth as one group, apply cos c plus cos d formula, sin c plus sin d formula, you take minus common or you do not take, that is up to you, sin c minus sin d, cancel it, cancel the common factors, automatically you get the answer. But while taking the common factor, cancelling the common factor, you have to take care a lot. Sin 50 minus sin 70 plus sin 10. You have to show that it is equal to 0. We do one thing, you take anything common. I do one thing, I will take 50 sin 10 sin 50 as one group. Of course, you can take 50 70 also one group, you can take sin 70 sin 10 also you can take one group. There is no any compulsory method, you can take any two. Okay. Now, why I have taken these two? Because 50 plus 10 will become 60 by 2, 30. I know sin 30 value. That is why I have taken that step I have taken. So, this is 2 sin 50 plus 10, 60 by 2, 30 cos of 50 minus 10, 40, 2, you will get sin 70. and 2 sin 30 is nothing but half cos 20 70. 2 cancel. Cos 20 minus sin 70. I can write this cos 20 as cos of 90 minus 70 minus sin 70. And cos 90 minus theta is nothing but sin theta. So we have sin 70 minus sin 70, cancel, you get the answer of 0. Same way. For the next one also, you can do same way you can do. Any pair you take, my suggestion is take sin 10, sin 40 as one pair, sin 20, sin 50 as one pair. Why? Because 40 plus 10, 50 by 2, 25, 40 minus 10, 30 by 2, 15 you are getting. So, we do one thing. Yes, take sin 10, sin 50 as one pair, sin 40, sin 20 as one pair. So, you will get 1, 1 first group, 2 and 2 second group. Apply sin C plus sin D, we get the answer. Left hand side.